Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you the blueberry lemonade mocktail. Now this drink is a popular non-alcoholic cocktail for those who love a classic drink but without the alcohol. So for this recipe you'll be needing fresh blueberries, 2 ounces of homemade lemonade, simple syrup, blueberry syrup optional, and your soda of choice. So in my cocktail shaker, I'll be putting in about 12 pieces of blueberry, fresh blueberry. I'll go ahead and muddle it up to my desired consistency, after which I'll go in with some ice. I'll be going in with 2 ounces of freshly homemade lemonade, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and half an ounce of blueberry syrup. Now I'm going to close my shaker and give it a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds. In my glass filled with ice, I'm going to go ahead and strain the drink from my shaker into the glass. I'm going to go ahead and top with my soda of choice, and for this recipe I'll be using tonic water. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish with my lemon wheel and some blueberries. I'll put in my straw and I'm good to go. So here you have it guys, your blueberry lemonade. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And also try out this recipe and drop us a comment down in the comment section. Bye guys, till I see you next time.